My country people, I greet everybody. This is the voice of your homeboy, Dr. Ogewonyi Brightens. Now maybe the MD CEO and the chief inventor of all Brightens Electronics Company products worldwide.
So Brightens, tell us what your company they produce and whether you get discounts price this season and about your automatic changeover device.
Yes, my country people, I want to let you know say for Brightens Electronics, with the manufacturer made in Nigerian products such as the Brightens inverter battery, the solar panel, solar charge controller, then the inverter machine itself. It go fit power your fan, your TV, your AC, your borehole, your deep freezer, depending on the size or the kVA where you dey come by. And I want to let Nigerians know say our promo discounted price wey we dey tell our products since we don dey go on for about 3 months now, the promo go end today. And I wan let Nigerians know say if you wan buy our product, the promo go end today wey be Friday. And I wan let people know say if you wan still key into the promo season, all you need to do na to deposit a minimum of 50,000 naira. Then we go keep the goods for you for 4 months. You go come dey pay small as your power reach. So what I want to let you know be say solar panel they come as watt, not be like generator where they come as kVA. So I want to let you know say you will first need to come office first. Then you go tell the engineers I get see my fan, this is number of fan when I get, see the number of TV, see the kind of fridge or deep freezer, see the horsepower of my borehole, see the horsepower of my AC. They will convert all these electronics into watt, because solar panel they come as watt. To fit know the category where they go recommend for you the kVA of the machine. Then if you say you dey want 24 hours constant light, you don't want to use NEPA or BDC light, you don't want to use generator, that time you will need to buy more number of battery and more number of solar panel. So that's so that they do. And before they will contact you, they will give you different quotation. You go come choose waiting you go fit buy the one where your money or your power go reach. Then now that time you will come deposit that 50,000 naira. Knowing say see the one when I want buy, see the total amount for promo season. Then you go dey pay the remaining money small, you go keep the goods for office. But now when you pay finish, you come carry am for installation. But when you dey there be say the advantage of that depositing of 50,000 be say when the promo don end, now the same promo price you go take buy the product within that 4 months, even when the promo season don finish. So that be the advantage of depositing that 50,000. But if you say no, you want to use it at the same time, maybe they pay small, that one will they call for Oyibo higher purchase. That higher purchase means say you go come pay 60% of the total amount of the normal price, not the promo price. Then you go pay the remaining 40% within 3 months. That one gets your own terms and conditions. You go they use and they pay for that one. Then maybe you say, oh, you be our old customer before. You introduce 6 of your friends when they come back from us. We go give you the next kVA upgrade free of charge. Or you dey use our product. You can't say now maybe say the same COVID-19, everybody stay for house and you don't stock up your food stuff put for your fridge or freezer, may not go spoil. And the one where you felt there before, the solar not they carry freezer. The solar not they carry freezer and you know they carry borehole or AC. You can return the one where you buy before, pay a particular amount of money. We go allow you upgrade to a bigger machine where go fit power that your deep freezer or AC or borehole. As long as the one where you buy before now our company product, even if na 10 years or 5 years, you don't dey use them, you go fit return them, because we go sell them to another person with another warranty, because we trust and say wetin we go sell for you today must be durable. If not, we go run into shortage. By the time you go say you want return after some months or years, say you want upgrade them to a bigger machine. So all that Nigerians still know say the Brightens automatic changeover. Now something will be say, for example, they bring NEPA light for night, you dey sleep. It go help you off your generator, carry you go national grid effortlessly. But we go still need to know the total number of electronics when you get for that house, because if there is on light, for the automatic changeover to off the gen and carry all your electronics to national grid, it comes as arms. And as it comes as arms, now different arms, so we need to know if you get like 5 AC for that house, you go use like the 240 amps. If you get like only one AC or maybe 1 horsepower for that house, you go use like 120 amps of the brightest automatic changeover. Then if you say no, you want it from inside as they on the gen, they from inside as they off the gen without coming out of your apartment. Now that time you go come buy the brightest power switch for generator. Now two different things. The automatic changeover go off your light, carry you go national grid. The power switch now to fit on and off the gen from inside without coming out of your flat or your apartment.
So what it differentiate your inverter, solar panel, solar charging control panel with the one with the market?
You see the difference between the most important advantage of our products be saying are made in Nigeria. If it's spoil, bring them back. You know get how company will make product the thing go develop for they not go fear you repair them. And the truth they be say nothing go last forever, nothing. That's why even Oyibo people if they make AC or make generator they still they put warranty because you cannot rule out human error completely during the course of production. So I want to let you know say the most important advantage be say you go power your normal fan, TV, television, AC, borehole, deep freezer depending on the size wey you dey buy, and you no get na your normal bulb wey dey house you go see power. So you no get subscription wey you say make you dey pay small money every month. No subscription. And the thing I wan let Nigerians know say our solar panel don dey finish. When e finish we may even completely shut down the office because those panel na panel wey we import from China before coronavirus come. So na panel wey we both do for us based on the research work wey we do concerning Nigerian weather and climatic conditions. Now make am wey be say if you wan buy our solar panel, if you dey northern part of Nigeria, the panel wey we dey sell for you is different from the one we go sell give who dey southern part of Nigeria or who dey middle belt. I want to let you know say the inverter machine itself e get inbuilt thunderstorm resistant facility. We deliberately put that inside inverter because even Oyibo no dey put that inside their machine. They assume say the environment wey dem go install am go dey ideal, but I wan let you know say sometimes people dey buy our inverter and the panel wey dem get before na inferior type. Inferior solar panel anytime when rain fall e must drag thunder, e go blow your electronics. So but if you put thunder arrestor there e no go blow am. So I wan let you know say wetin we dey do be say if you know say the thunder the panel no be original, you go put thunder arrestor there because if e come be say later e affect our inverter, na you wey be the customer go pay for the repair. Or maybe you dey live for area wey be say your house dey fluctuate, the voltage too high and you no gree put stabilizer for the charging part of the inverter, e spoil am, you wey be the customer na you go pay for the repair.
So tell us about your brightest alternator booster for Pressing Iron, your LED bulb wey you do locally for your company, and then what will be the difference between your bulb and the one we do market?
You see, my tell you one thing about the brightest electronics company. You see, we always try to look for how we go do things so they will be say Nigerians go dey more comfortable. That's why we design that brightest super saving LED energy saving bulb. Now bulb will be say they come as 5 watts and 12 watts. So the 5 watt brightest energy bulb, now bulb will be say e shine light pass the normal 18 watt energy bulb wey dey market, while the brightest 12 watt super saving LED energy saving bulb na bulb wey be say shine light pass the normal 40 watt energy bulb wey dey market or 100 watt incandescent bulb wey dey market. I wan let you know say wetin we do na very simple thing. We reduce the input watt, that's the power consumption rate of the bulb, come increase the brightness of that bulb, so that if you dey use am with your prepaid meter, your BVC meter, your analog meter, for example, if you buy like 10 pieces of the 5 watt bulb, that's just 50 watts, e go reduce the rate wey your prepaid meter card go take dey finish at the end of the month. E go still reduce the rate wey dem go take dey give you bill for your analog meter. And also you wey dey use solar panel inverter battery go still reduce the rate wey your battery go take dey drain. Then you wey dey use am for your hotel, for your surrounding light, for your compound, for your house, e go still reduce the rate wey your fuel and diesel take dey consume, especially when you buy the brightest 5 watt super saving LED energy saving bulb. Then as for the alternator booster, na something wey be say e dey compulsory for people wey be tailor, fashion designers, dry cleaner, hairdressers, people wey dey use heat element electrical materials, or you get hotel, they get laundry service department for that your hotel, you need that brightest alternator booster so that when they dey plug things like pressing iron, ring boiler, electric kettle, what they call for Igbo heat element electrical material. That surge where they go meet your gen, it go divide that into two. Half of the surge go they meet the booster, half go they come the gen, thereby prolonging the life of your generator. You know me say because you dey plug out for your boost for the iron for your generator, say the booster go come make your gen turn noiseless gen. No. That jaggy sound wey the gen dey make for smaller KVAs, it go reduce am. No be say it go vanish from the generator, no, because that gen go still work the way oyibo people wey manufacture the gen first design am. So I wan let you know say the booster, if you dey use am for your press now, your gen no quick dey spoil. You know dey buy half engine every time. So that's the advantage of the brightest alternator booster for pressing iron.
So tell us, you get any training program, your address and your phone number?
Yes, for brightest electronics, we still dey do our training program. For that say you sabi read and write. If you sabi read and write, we go fit teach you, because we know say not everybody fit do engineering or get electrician work experience before. As long as say you sabi read and write, we go fit train you. And we dey divide our group, our training people into small group because of this COVID-19 pandemic wey we dey. So now rotation we take dey do am so that everybody no go dey get frequent exposure. And again, we no even dey open office every day. So that's how we done. And 3 times in a week we dey open office, so that if your pikin dey come, you no need to get any fear say if they go brightest electronics maybe go get COVID-19 pandemic experience. Then no, we maintain the normal hygiene as requested by the government and by NCDC. So I let Nigerians know say if you want come our office address dey number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road, number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road near UBTH for Ugbowo, Benin City. We dey open our office only on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday only from 10 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the evening, because we dey use our Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday till they manufacture wetin we dey sell and till they store for those wey don already pay based on our staff strength. So I let you know say if you wan call us for phone, our phone number na 080 894 62794. Make I repeat am, 080 894 62794. Our MTN number na 080 3581 5348. Make I repeat am, 080 3581 5348. You visit search us for www.brighteneselectronics.com or like Brightness Electronics Company Facebook page, or search videos of Brightness for YouTube. You go see everything we dey do. My country people, wanna stay safe.